Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get help with a Microsoft Store purchase. Alright, so this is what you're going to do if you need some help with a purchase. So start with self-help and virtual support before you go ahead and contact support team directly. So visit the Microsoft Store help page and click on the Get Help button to describe your issue. You'll receive instant self-help recommendations or to be connected to a live chat or even schedule a callback. So there's no waiting on hold required over here. The next thing is if you need direct assistance, find your country's Microsoft Store sales support phone number for toll-free or toll calls. So US and Canada, you can use the online chat or support page. There's a phone number for India, and then there's a phone number for UK, and these are both toll-free. You can now go ahead and verify your payment method is current in your Microsoft account. Check for any overdue subscription payments. Ensure your account or your Xbox account is not suspended, and this is a more common problem. And then disable antivirus pop-up blockers that may interfere with payment windows popping up. The last thing, sign into your Microsoft account dashboard to track your order. You can also print invoices or even check shipping statuses for complete purchase transparency.